Stop scrolling. Headline: Thief steals fire truck, then starts responding to emergency calls. Yes, this actually happened. In a city that should have known better, someone swiped a fire engine, and instead of making a mad dash, actually started showing up to real 911 calls. Imagine firefighters arriving, only to find a confused criminal with a big red truck and zero idea what to do with a hose. Is this grand theft or a misguided audition for Hero of the Year? Real news or glitch in humanity? Comment below. Because reality writes the best jokes, welcome to Unhinged Headlines. Don't forget to like and subscribe.